Baking boneless, skinless chicken breasts can be tricky. But when wrapped inside parchment paper, we seal in the moisture. First, let's cut the parchment paper in a heart shape. Now we're gonna pat that chicken breast dry and season it with some salt and pepper. Spoon on some homemade pesto, or you can use jarred pesto if you're short on time. Now let's layer on some thinly sliced tomatoes, along with some mozzarella, and grate on some Parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna fold and crimp the edges of the parchment paper, taking a little extra time to push the tail underneath. Now let's slide it into the oven. We're gonna bake this at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, does that look great? And look at all that nummy juices that's down below. I like to serve this on a bed of ravioli. Make sure to get all those juices from the parchment pouch in onto the ravioli. Use it as the sauce. I love this dinner. It is low calorie. In fact, just the chicken with the pesto and the tomatoes is about 197 calories per breast. Enjoy.